Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication in Blockman GO. Keeping your Blockman GO account secure is important, especially if you've spent time or money in the game. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection by verifying your identity while you log in or make account changes. First of all, open the Blockman GO application on your device and log in. Once you're logged in, from the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon, and from the profile section, scroll down and tap on the security button. Inside security, tap on the toggle button right next to two-factor authentication. Soon after you do that, enabling this two-factor authentication requires first-time login on new device via email or social account verification. Now you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication that helps protect your Blockman GO account from unauthorized access and keeps your progress safe. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.